Be warned, the market is trying to put you to sleep. The price of Bitcoin has been flat, the news has been quiet, and a dangerous sense of complacency has taken over the entire crypto space. But this calm is a profound illusion. Bitcoin's volatility has just fallen to a level not seen since before the massive ETF rally, coiling the market like a spring. This is the calm before the storm, and history tells us that when the market gets this quiet, the next move is almost always explosive and violent. Today we'll show you the data that proves why a massive move is imminent. The primary signal is the Bitcoin Historical Volatility Index, or BVOL, which just hit a 2-year low. This means the price is trading in its tightest, most compressed range in a very long time. In financial markets, volatility is mean reverting. This means that extended periods of low volatility are inevitably followed by a massive expansion of volatility. The longer the spring is held down, the more powerful the eventual release will be. The only question is, in which direction? We got a chilling preview of this potential violence this week. On Tuesday, a flash crash on the BYBIT exchange saw the price of Ethereum momentarily plummet 10% against Bitcoin before instantly recovering. This was likely caused by a single large trader's liquidation, triggering a cascade in a low liquidity environment. This is a critical warning shot. It proves that despite the surface-level calm, the derivatives market is still a house of cards, saturated with hidden leverage that can be wiped out in an instant. A real catalyst could turn a small flash crash into a market-wide liquidation event. But while the derivatives market looks fragile, the on-chain data for Bitcoin itself has never looked stronger. The supply held by short-term holders, coins that have moved in the last 155 days, has just fallen to a multi-year low. This means the tourist money is gone. The weak hands have already sold during the consolidation. The only people left holding a significant portion of Bitcoin are the long-term, high-conviction believers who are extremely unlikely to sell at these prices. This creates an incredibly tight supply situation. There is very little loose Bitcoin available to be sold on the market. So we have a market in a state of extreme tension. Volatility is at rock bottom, signaling a huge move is imminent. The derivatives market is a leveraged powder keg waiting for a spark. But the actual physical supply of Bitcoin available to be sold is tighter than ever. This is the ultimate recipe for a violent price movement. The great complacency will soon end. Whether it's a liquidation cascade to the downside or a supply shock to the upside, the breakout will be powerful. Prepare accordingly. To make sure you're prepared for the coming volatility, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for real-time analysis. Your support helps us warn more investors. Thank you for watching.